Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa here, and today we are going to be doing a baking video. Now, first up, I should probably mention that A, I'm not very good at baking, and B, what I'm gonna make today, I have never made before in my life. I'm excited for you guys to be part of the process. And also I'm very scared. So today I've chosen to make Spanish Polvorones. And if you don't know what they are, basically it's a Spanish biscuit of sorts, which you could only really buy around Christmas time, but I think they've now made it available all year round. I'm not too sure. So a bit of backstory for you. I've decided to make these today because my grandma, she was born in Gibraltar, and Gibraltar is a small country at the bottom of Spain. Now my history isn't great, but I believe that it's a British colony in Gibraltar, so you can still use English money, they speak English, it's like a mixture of English and Spanish, so it's Spanglish. Obviously, as well as having a lot of English produce and stores there and using English money, they also have a lot of Spanish culture there too. Now, whenever my grandparents would come over every Christmas, they would bring Spanish polvorones with them, but sadly this year my granddad isn't able to come over. So I've decided to make them for all my family, and I'm going to drop them off at some point during the week as my Christmas present from me to them. So depending on whether this batch goes well, then I will make some more and make sure they're all nice and pretty. Which reminds me, I do need to buy some cute like Christmas goodie bags to put them in, otherwise I'm just going to be turning up with a handful of biscuits wrapped in cling film. So first things first, I need to put on my apron. This apron was actually given to us by G's mum. She makes these amazing candles, and if you're after a Jo Malone candle that isn't Jo Malone prices, then she is the woman to go to. I'll leave her Instagram handle in the bio below and you guys can have a look. But basically all our candles here and like Diffusers are made by her. I also have my little helper here today. Hello, sit, sit. Paw. Good boy. You gonna help mummy today? Say yes. Yay. So those are our ingredients. Basically there are two different recipes I can choose from. There's one that I can make with lard and normal flour, or there's a second one that I can make using just vegan butter with the gluten-free powder, because I'm not too sure what everyone's like dietary requirements are in my family, and I believe there are some people who are gluten intolerant and also potentially vegan, so I want to make sure I'm making something that everyone can eat. So today I think I'm gonna go with the classic polvorone recipe that requires the lard. I feel like I should nail down the original before I start chopping and changing different ingredients in, so yeah. Are you ready? So I'm gonna preheat the oven first. Don't ask me how I know what's what without any kind of markings. So whilst the oven is preheating, I am going to find the recipe on my phone. Polvorone. So I'm gonna go with these because I feel like they look the most traditional. I do hope they look like that. Just burn that image into your minds now, because I don't think they're gonna come out looking like this, but we can dream. Like, I think we're gonna do it. So, Alright, so first up I'm going to line my baking sheet with some parchment paper, which I have, thank God. How much do we think is enough? I think that is good. I should probably take this off. Don't want that in the oven. Cool. Is that how you line it? I feel like we need to cut this to shape, so. I have to use an electric mixer. I don't have one. Blend the butter and sugar until it becomes pale and creamy. Okay, get out my scales. Let me grab out my mixing bowl. And then for the sugar, I need 170 grams. Oh, there's an electronic pulser. Do you reckon that will do the same job? I'm gonna pour this in. Oh, it's so satisfying. So I did find this in the cupboard. Is this a hand whisk? Like an electronic blender? I'm gonna try it and see how this goes. I need to clear some space here. I just have this sneaking suspicion that it's gonna send everything flying. Here we go. Oh, I'm scared. That's not even on. Alright. Oh God. What's up? Obi. What is it? What is it? I'm just gonna scrape off the rest that's stuck under here. I'm so glad that turned out well though, because I did not want to be hand mushing it together. Did anyone else when they were little, like when you made the sugar, butter and egg white mix, did you ever used to just lick it from the bowl? Because I did, and that's definitely what I'm going to do. But I won't lick it from the bowl because obviously Corona. So there's our butter and sugar mix. Now in a separate bowl, whisk the all-purpose flour, almonds, cinnamon and salt together. Oh, the cinnamon. So we need half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I didn't realise we already had cinnamon, so I'm just going to use that. I love the smell of cinnamon. How cute are these? My little sister made them. We have this whole spice rack here that she's made little tags for. And then let's put that one home. We have flour, we have cinnamon and salt. I've only got pink Himalayan salt. Do you think that will be alright? Alright, then we need to whisk that together. I have the whisk. Alright, so I just need to whisk all that together, little mixy mix. Anyway, I hope you've all been having a great day today. For me, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Can't say I've done much either. I do need to go pick up the car at 3:30, but that's about it. Right, and then we need to gradually blend the flour mixture into the butter mixture. Alright, stop. I have just realised something very crucial. I need to mix almonds into the flour because I haven't got almond flour. I've got almonds to put into the flour. How do I make that? Oh my god. Right. Oh, I don't even know. You can substitute 1 cup of regular white flour. I've just got ground almonds. This isn't going too well. Should I just like mix it in? So the ground almonds that I bought because I couldn't find any raw almonds, it's actually almond flour. This is almond flour. So now I have some cinnamon powder. Now I have some cinnamon powder mix that I don't even need. Alright, regroup Nally, regroup. Good thing I only poured a little bit of flour into here. Oh no, it's right, so it says all-purpose flour, but also 106 grams of almond flour. Phew! Phew! Okay, we are okay. Right, so this needs to just be added in. Cool. That was a false alarm there, guys. Another reason why I'm making these is because I don't know about you guys, but I literally have £0 left to buy any Christmas presents. And when I mean by I have £0 left, like I didn't have any money to begin with, so I actually haven't done any Christmas shopping. It's not really about presents anyway, but what I decided was to make something, and you know, polvorones are kind of like a special thing for my family, and you know, what better than making something with love? So I think I have some in the cupboard. Oh, yeah, I can show you if I do. I do! So these are what they look like. This is a Spanish Polvorone that my granddad actually, I was actually given this last year. It might actually be stale. Oh, I could use the wrappers. They look like that. So that's what they look like, and it's just like powdered sugar. It's just powdered sugar on the top. I wondered if this is any good. I don't know, it smells a bit stale. Should I try it? Definitely stale. Oh, that is gone. Oh my god, that tastes like old socks. So yeah. Oh my god, I needed to eat something to get rid of that bad taste. It tasted like old socks. Guys, I did it! I have now blended together my, like so. It smells very cinnamony, it smells really good. I think it's going to be quite a crumbly mixture, but I need to now figure out what my next steps are. So I've done it. So press the dough into a ball and then roll out on a lightly floured surface to a ½ inch thickness. Okay, I think the sleeve's got to be pulled up now. I have washed my hands ready. Wasn't lying when it said you needed 2 baking sheets, so I've left some of the mix to the side. I'm just going to put the 1 baking sheet into the oven and see how they turn out, and then I can make more because I don't have any like casing stuff for them anyway. So I think the last step is to put it into the oven. I hope I haven't missed anything out. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the edges are a pale golden brown. That's it. Okay, look at them. Wow, I am so proud of you guys. I love that you can see like my fingerprints in them as well. Okay. Alright guys, it's been 25 minutes, maybe even a little bit longer, but let's see how they turned out. I'd be excited to see. You ready? Woo! Ta-da! That's how they came out. And that's what they should kind of look like. So I should make them a bit smaller. Oh, it's hot. Right, they're still hot, obviously, because I just took them out the oven. So let's try this. If I'm honest, they're not quite like polvorones, they're like sugar cinnamon cookies. Not like the texture I was hoping for, but they're good. I would eat them. They're a lot crispier than planned. Or maybe, you know what, I think because they were quite thin, it doesn't have that really crumbly texture. So I think with the stuff that I didn't use, I'll try and make them thick and see how they end up. Because they do kind of taste like a polvorone. Anyway, that's it. I've eaten the cookie, I've made the cookie, I've eaten the cookie. There's nothing much more left to do now. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Obi wants to say bye as well. Say bye, Obi. Say bye. Bye-bye. I've lost track now. Did I say thank you? Anyway, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up for me. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!